Hello friends, welcome to Bhavya's Learning Planet. In this video, we are going to learn 25 lines on vaccine, facts and updates.
Vaccination is the most effective method of preventing infectious diseases caused by germs. It helps our immune system to develop protection from several infectious diseases. Vaccination is also known as immunization. Herd immunity is developed when large percentage of the population is vaccinated. Smallpox, polio and tetanus are eradicated worldwide by vaccine. The term vaccination was coined by Edward Jenner from Latin word vaccinus, that means from cows, in 19th century. Vaccines are the way of artificially activating the immune system to protect us against infectious diseases. Vaccines contain a microorganism or virus in a weakened, live or kill state. They may also contain proteins or toxins from the organism. The Compulsory Vaccination Act was passed in India in 1892 by the British government to deal with the smallpox epidemic. India is the largest manufacturer of vaccines. The Serum Institute of India is the world's largest vaccine manufacturer. Cyrus S. Poonawalla founded the company in 1966 in Pune. Animals play an important role in the development of vaccines as they are tested on animals. DTP-DTaP vaccine helps children below age of 7 years to develop immunity against 3 deadly diseases: diphtheria, tetanus and pertussis. BCG, Bacillus calmette-guerin, provides protection against TB. The vaccine is named after two French scientists who developed it, Albert Calmette and Camille Guerin. The MMR vaccine is a vaccine against measles, mumps and rubella, was developed by Maurice Hilleman. TT stands for tetanus toxoid, is an inactive vaccine used to prevent tetanus. Is the first polio vaccine known as inactivated poliovirus vaccine, IPV, developed by Dr. Jonas Salk in 1955, is given by injection. The second type is oral poliovirus vaccine, OPV, that contains live-attenuated viruses developed by Dr. Albert Sabin in 1961, is given orally. Anna Dusthall, a 3-year-old child from Bombay, became the first person in India to receive the smallpox vaccine on 14th June 1802. Dengue is a mosquito-borne viral disease and is now vaccine-preventable disease in some countries. Covaxin was India's first indigenous vaccine against COVID-19. The second indigenous jab, which will soon be available across 7 Indian states, is ZyCoV-D vaccine. It is a needleless jab and the world's first plasmid DNA vaccine. Vaccines protect both the vaccinated individual and the society by reducing the transmission of infectious diseases.
Thanks for watching the video.